Hi everyone, this is your Sussex County Chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Jason today. Jason's in here because he's getting some tightness and discomfort in between the shoulder blades?
Yes.
Yeah, and then your right ear is a little clogged?
Yep.
Okay, so his right ear is clogged. I'm not going to clean his ear today, but what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up the muscles that go up into his neck area, and then I'm also going to make sure to get the upper vertebra adjusted. The reason I want to do that is because the upper vertebra is connected to a chain of muscles and eventually goes to the eustachian tube, and if we loosen up the vertebra, it actually ends up loosening up the muscles and helps the ear drain better. So that's a really good adjustment for people who have chronic ear infections, and you know it's really effective. So we're going to keep doing this. Jason, grab this elbow and pull it tight across your chest, good, and then come back, good, and release again. Perfect. Pressure's okay?
Yep.
Good. And two more. You feeling shoulder tension too, or
more
like up in the
top?
middle
Of the shoulder blades, but
just there, not in the top, huh?
No.
Okay. Do the left side, a couple on this side. Why do you think your shoulders are tight in between the shoulder blades?
I'm not sure.
If you knew, then you wouldn't have had the problem in the first place, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. And relax. And up in the air, and then down onto the low back. And do a couple more of those. How's work going?
Good.
Good.
Little break in the summer.
Little break in the summer?
Yeah.
In what way? You get like weeks off, or they change the schedule?
Just a little less hours.
So what will you be doing in the summertime, hour-wise? Relax then.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know yet? You
less
just
than
know
the
it's
season.
coming?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Okay, we'll go face down on your stomach. Good. And relax this arm. Good. So this is for the spot between the shoulder blades. The rhomboid muscles are a little tight on Jason here. So I'm just loosening them up with this technique here, and then I'm going to adjust his mid-back, and it'll get a lot looser after that. Good. So you working late still?
Yeah.
What time you get out?
Around midnight.
Okay. And you go in at what, 2 or 3?
Yeah.
Well, make sure you get some good rest. I know in the late hours it's kind of difficult, but that'll help your body heal a little bit better. Got your boots on today, huh? Nice. I'm going to lower this headpiece down just a touch for you. So we just check to see what's tight here before we get to adjusting. And give me a breath in and then breathe out. And again here. And here. And here and out. One more here. Good. On your back, lay face up. Moves pretty good. Let's bend this left knee. Good. And we're going to cross your arms in front of your chest. And adjust the low back. Rotate here. Good. And give me a breath in and out. Go flat on your back. Bend your right knee. And go over here. Good. And breathe in and out. Flat on your back. I'm going to get your shoulder adjusted too. Relax this here. Good. And hand on your cheek. And a breath in and out. Good. Relax that down. And let this elbow drop. Good. Hand on your cheek. And a breath in, and then breath out. Good. Alright. So loosening up Jason's neck too, before I adjust it, it helps the adjustment go in better. And it helps relieve even more tension than just doing an adjustment. Good. This is important too because we really want to make sure we get that upper vertebra moving better. It's not going to get his ear like completely unclogged, but it'll help drain better after the adjustment. So we're going to check motion. We'll go one side and check the other side. And this plane and this plane. So I'm going to adjust the upper left first to encourage motion into the restriction. Good, and relax one more here. Little baby one there. We'll go over to the side. Let's check motion here again. And I'm going to go a little lower here too. Just another extra kink. We'll check rotation. Good. And now we're going to check the upper vertebra. Relax your head. Okay. So we're going to go up in here. And bend your knees. Put your feet flat on the table. That'll usually get the patient to relax their neck a little more. Good. Good. And then we're going to go on this side. Good. And we'll check again. Excellent. Perfect. Okay, Jason, let's come on up. How's the shoulder blades feel?
Looser.
Yeah, we got a lot of motion in there, and then the shoulders move great too. Have I done the shoulder adjustments on you before?
No.
No. How'd they feel?
Good.
No pain with that?
No.
Good. All right, well, thanks, Jason.
Thank
Good
you.
luck at work today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth, your Sussex County chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic.